Hello, my name is Teejay. I'm an apprentice with Theatre YOLO through A and B Camry. This past week that I've done my apprentice, I started recently, has been very, very, very insightful. Firstly, I resumed in the first week, in the week of production, where we're producing The Welsh Dragon, written by Kylie Lima. And I was told to just go and observe and take note of the production meetings, and I did that. I also assisted in creating the storyboard for the relaxed performance, and I also attended board meetings where I was privy to understand the things that were being discussed inside the theater and how things are being run and how funding is being got. I also assisted in audience hosting, and yesterday I was with Kira facilitating workshops for students in Mod Stewart School. So yeah, it's been filled with activities. I'm learning so much in theater, and I love theater, and I look forward to the coming week. Thank you.